Look at this picture right here. You ever hear of the Monkey King? Well, this guy right here, he is the B-Man King of St. Lucia. Now, the other day, me talk about a youth. We hang out with Dogmouth. The youth named Prince. Now, from when I hear from a new intel, he might tell me, say Prince is not a Bulla man, is not a B-man. From what I heard, or what the intel provide me, is that Prince is being manipulated by the youth so, B-Man King, and another youth we may go call B-Man Prince.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's your son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them I go on, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Now, look at the picture right here. You have B-Man King and B-Man Prince. And you have Dogmouth. Now, B-Man Prince and B-Man King, the two of them are dealing now. And then you have Dogmouth now. Him is like a skettle. You would have called them what? Chicken head. So them use him accordingly. From where the intel I said, Prince link up with B-Man Prince. And then him link him with Kirk. And pretty much them a try broke him out, turn him in a Batman, yo. Now because the youth resist, Kirk, me hear from the intel, bring police on the man. That is like the youth never know say the man them a roll in a Batman clique, yo. Now, me said this before. When it come to them kind of relationship, they're more volatile than a heterosexual relationship. Remember, two gay girls when them start fight, a SWAT team have to come shut down the place, which part we did live. And, wanna know my number one thing is with this. The vulnerable will always be preyed on with these predators. Now, the intel tell me that Kirk, which is B-Man Prince, I'm gonna take this out, B-Man King, him live in Canada, and him a blackmail the youth, which according to the intel, him say Prince. If you don't notice, me not show him picture. Now, the only way somebody can blackmail you, unless you do something terrible that, you know, you don't want the secret to come out. So, you understand? So with the intel, me kind of a little bit confused on the one day. So, me don't know, maybe him give the man them a blowjob and him no want that come out. I don't know. But now, digging and digging, like I say, I'm kind of confused for the boy Prince with the blackmail thing. Because if you look at this video right here, I'm going to play the video. This is Prince at a boy place named Claude, and Claude linked with Ezra. May I play the video so you can listen to where them are talk. Now, this is my other intel. And my other intel I say, boy, them they right here, so 4 years ago, I planned them Batman thing and them Batman making money thing. Me I go come back, run the video, and me I go come back and elaborate on it.
Yeah. Is there some man? Yeah. That was just. Yeah.
Shouting on the dance at the high school. I don't know exactly what to do. Dale, he's a teenage boy having a hard time adjusting. You know what I mean?
Should have moved in your
dazzling.
So, like me say, me a little bit confused because this video here, Prince, there one youth also named Clyde. Clyde associated with a boy named Ezra. Ezra worked in our school as a security guard in a San Souci. You understand? And them a say the youth Ezra and Clyde them link with young underage boys. And at the time, Prince was hanging with X amount of man. You see them in our house, every man shirt off, them attack. Me I try understand what them a say in the video. But it is a little bit distorted for me anyways. Long story short, the youth Prince, me still feel like he has been preyed upon by the predators. You know, because they can't see he's a youth. It's like him never have nowhere to go and certain man him think cool, right? You know, me don't know. But there is a pattern right here in St. Lucia. And it is the man them with money and stability who a B-man. You can see the kind of young guys them a go after. All of these guys are young guys, they're kids. You understand? None of them in them 40 or an adult. And let me tell you something about young people. Until you reach like 30 years old, 25, 30, that's when your brain fully develop. A lot of people don't understand that. And that's when you probably start make better decisions. For men, sometime when them reach like 35. So, yeah, it's kind of up and down from Prince. You understand? Cause one scenario, say him link with them set of money. The next scenario say, Kurt, I try broke out the man. When you look at it, the two scenario them work hand in hand. Yeah, them broke him out and him do some fuckery, some nasty stuff. And now them a try him want Lego and them a try keep him in the mix of nastiness. And that's how me feel about the situation. Now, look at that video right there. This is the old police station at Grass Islet that it is underneath reconstruction. Now, according to the intel, you know, Shane Paul, undercover lover, policeman, not Sean Paul, the Jamaican reggae superstar. Shane Paul, the policeman, undercover lover, he has a contract to guard this place security, and the intel tell me that Prince work right here with this guy. So, you know, like I said, the Prince name has been all over the place. But me still believe say if him get in the body business, I pray the man them pray upon him and true not now go on him just kinda sink that way there. And you know, all around it is crazy and sad and nasty. Now, one question before me go. Is it a state of conflict with the government and public interest when a policeman have his security firm, a guard, a police station that is underneath reconstruction? I am just wondering in St. Lucia if that would be a conflict of public interest. So I don't know, but that's the question I'm leaving this video with. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.